Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at digital marketing. So let's talk about what is digital marketing. See, digital marketing is nothing but digital communication because marketing means communication. And marketing is not communication in any other context, but in the context of business communication, where we are trying to communicate to our potential customers on the features and benefits of the product and services that we are selling. So, if you go ahead and understand what the market wants, and if you make something that people want, and then if you do a good job in communicating that to the people, then you are doing a good job with marketing. Digital marketing is nothing but digital communication, and today the behavior of the consumers have changed. They are no longer in traditional media such as TV, radio, newspapers, and magazines. They are using mobiles, they are using laptops, they are using digital devices to consume information. And as digital marketers, we need to learn how to reach customers using digital mediums. So that is digital marketing. So how do you learn digital marketing? So I believe that the best way to learn digital marketing is that you can go ahead and start a blog, and this will help you learn how to go ahead and get a website up and running and how to create a web page that can be seen by any person in the world at any point in time. So starting a blog should start with starting a WordPress blog, and you need to have a hosting for that, and you need to have a domain name for that, and you need to select your niche. So your niche could be health, it could be something related to business, it could be marketing, it could be relationships, or anything of that sort. So second, you have to go ahead and publish content. If you publish content, you will learn how to write, and this is not the same as the school English or the college English that we have learned to write. So this is learning to write for the internet, right? And web content writing is much different from content writing for academic purposes, and that is something you have to learn. Then you will learn how to get content indexed in the search engines, and that will help you learn SEO and go ahead and increase your rankings in the search engines. So that will kind of help you learn how the search engines work. And then you can go ahead and share the content on social media, which is social media marketing, build an email subscriber base, which is email marketing. And once you learn how to run paid ads campaigns to drive traffic to your website, you have learned how to use Google ads, Facebook ads, and other paid advertising tools as well. So this is pretty much mostly what is involved in digital marketing. You have email marketing, you have content, social media, SEO, and paid advertising. These are the major sections. And then obviously you have copywriting, conversion rate optimization, again, which comes back into content marketing. So here you will end up learning copywriting, which is writing to generate sales online. So once you learn digital marketing, what can you do with the digital marketing knowledge? So there are multiple options, and I have personally worked as a digital marketer in many companies, and there are many different positions such as content writer, SEO expert, social media manager, community manager, paid ads campaign manager, and a lot more. This is just for an example. And you can go ahead and teach digital marketing, which is something that I do. You can become a freelancer, you can start a digital marketing agency, or you can start your own blog or website or business and grow it using digital marketing. So any level of digital marketing skill is going to help you in your career, in your business, and eventually it's going to help you make more money. So that's about it for this video. Just wanted to make a short video on digital marketing itself, because I have been creating a lot of tutorials, content, videos, blog posts, articles, and ebooks on very specific digital marketing topics. But I realized that a lot of people are just entering this field of digital marketing and would like to know in a nutshell what is digital marketing, how to learn, and what can you do with your digital marketing knowledge. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well for more videos related to digital marketing. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.